Hey everyone! Imagine a world turned upside down. Natural disasters, power outages, or health emergencies can strike without warning, leaving us unprepared and vulnerable. But fear not. With a little foresight and planning, we can create a lifeline of safety and security, an emergency preparedness kit. Think of it as your personal survival kit. A collection of essential items that can sustain you and your loved ones in times of need. It's like a first aid kit for your home, ready to provide comfort, support, and the means to navigate through challenging situations. At the core of every emergency kit are the basics: food, water, and shelter. Stockpile non-perishable food items that can last for several days, along with plenty of bottled water. Don't forget a first aid kit, essential medications, and some basic tools for repairs. In times of crisis, reliable communication is crucial. Include a battery-powered radio, flashlights, and extra batteries to stay informed and connected. Comfort and warmth are essential during stressful times. Pack blankets, warm clothing, and any other items that can provide comfort and a sense of security. And hey, don't forget to customize your kit to suit your specific needs and circumstances. Consider pet food, baby supplies, and any other items that are important to you and your family. Remember, an emergency preparedness kit is not just a collection of items, it's a symbol of hope and resilience. By taking proactive steps to prepare for the unexpected, we can empower ourselves to face any challenge that comes our way. To learn more about building your own emergency preparedness kit and other essential safety tips, subscribe to my channel, like this video, share it with your friends and family, and leave a comment below with your thoughts and experiences. Together, we can create a safer and more resilient community. By working together and prioritizing safety, we can build a stronger and more resilient future for ourselves and our loved ones. Let's embrace the power of preparedness and face any challenge with confidence and courage. Stay safe, everyone.